Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to use Instagram Threads without logging in. So to do that, let's head over to our browser. Once in there, just search for threads.net/ and give a username. Let's say uh let's say this one. So sometimes it may not work because of the username might be wrong. So you have to give a meaningful username or the username that is working on threads. So you have to tap on threads.net and give a slash and then give a @ and then write the username on your browser, and then you can just view any public threads on threads post without logging in. Suppose, let's say, Elon Musk. So once you do this, you can see any post on threads without logging in, and no interaction is possible unless you log in into your threads account. So yeah, this is how you can use or see Instagram threads without logging in. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.